Hey, this is David with the Prepper Bookshelf, and today I've got a book from Gavin De Becker, and this guy actually wrote the computer program that the Secret Service uses to do threat assessments on, mail bombs and stuff. This guy knows threat assessments, and his book, The Gift of Fear, is a great book. If you're going to carry a gun for self-defense, if you're going to walk around in condition yellow, if you know what condition yellow is, this is an interesting book, and it's worth the time it takes to read it. And it's worth the time it takes to reread it. So basically, this guy, his whole book is, fear is not bad, okay? It's not something that you should be afraid of. Fear is a psychological condition that's brought about by your body recognizing a threat. Maybe your subconscious mind sees something, has processed something that's not quite to the front of your mind. The spidey sense, the gut feeling, those sorts of things. And he talks some case studies about how, people's gut feelings and how they followed the gut feeling has saved their life. One story in here, and I use it a lot in some of my response to terrorist bombing classes, talks about, if you ever go to the post office, they got that little poster for letter bombs, right, and all that. It's all pretty old, and they don't really use it very much, but everybody pretty much knows if it's lumping, misshapen, excessive postage, misaddressed, misspelling, wires coming out of it, ticking, oily stains, whatever, it looks suspicious, right? And he talks about how this controversial business executive comes into the office. His secretary's there, everybody's around his secretary's desk. He goes over, and they've got a package. And if you took that post office chart for bombs and just check marked, it'd have every check mark. I mean, obviously there was something fishy with this package. And they said, it's to you. And he's like, I ain't opening it. That thing's probably a bomb. And he turned around and walked off. And he was kind of joking, but he kind of wasn't joking, And as he walks off, somebody opened it, and bam, it was a bomb, He had a gut feeling, and he went with it. Very important, and something that you should be aware of, You need to know the difference between true fear and unwarranted fear. How to use fear as a tool and not let fear control you. And this is a great book, a great starting place for learning that, okay? And not only that, it's pretty easy to read. It's an entertaining book also. So anyway, well worth the money. So there you go. And until next time, you must catch us online, www.prepperbookshelf.com.